more and explore our list of participating schools at 860amtheanswer.com. To be a Spartan means to be disciplined, courageous, and straightforward. It is with this in mind that Habits Law has proudly become the official personal injury attorneys and law offices of San Jose State Athletics. With San Jose State alumni on the Habits Law team and deep roots within the community, Habits Law is committed to fighting for the rights of Spartans and their loved ones. If you have been injured, contact Habits Law. Habits Law, proud sponsor, partner, and defender of San Jose State Athletics. Visit habitslaw.com.
Welcome to the Spartan Football Halftime Show. Brought to you by Fescue, not a bank, better. And by Rubenstein Supply Company, the ultimate kitchen and bath showroom. Now, here's Kevin Richardson.
Welcome back to Honolulu, Hawaii. It's Clarence T.C. Ching Athletic Complex, where San Jose State at halftime leads 21-0. This is the Dick Tomey Legacy Trophy game. And San Jose State has held that trophy since 2020. Looking pretty good in the first half tonight. Some real interesting stats to look at.
Yeah, just looking at the game comparison. Total yards, San Jose State has 280, Hawaii has 94. 177 of those are through the air for San Jose State, 71 are for Shager in the air. Next, just looking at third down, San Jose State is 9 for 10. Hawaii is 2%, and I think a result of that, you have a time of possession with San Jose State having 20 minutes and 25 seconds versus Hawaii 8 minutes and 57 seconds. I think if you convert that many times, you're going to be on the field a lot longer, and that's we'll definitely think that. Individual stats, Chevin Cordero is 12 of 17, 177 yards, 1 touchdown. That's a 71% completion percentage. Kyrie Robinson has 10 attempts, 63 yards, and 1 touchdown. Paulie Conley has 10 attempts, 40 yards, and 1 touchdown. And that 1-2 punch is rolling again. For San Jose State, Paulie Conley is the leading receiver with 4 catches, 48 yards. Next is Nick Nash, 4 catches, 46 yards, and 1 touchdown. So his catches have been on third down. So he's definitely had a huge impact. Next is Charles Ross with that huge third down.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
1 catch, 35 yards, and then the other third down conversion is Sam Olsen, 1 catch, 29 yards. On the other side, Shager is 8 for 15, 71 yards. No touchdowns, no picks. Leading rusher is Vallejo with 1 attempt for 14 yards, and then Shager's had 5 attempts, 8 yards. He's definitely had a lot of pressure and is forced to scramble. Perry's their leading receiver with 3 catches, 36 yards. Next is McBride with 2 for 21 yards, and then next is Pinocchio with 1 for 8 yards. So there's definitely a tale of 2 sides on looking at those individual stats. Quickly, just looking at the defense here, Reed has 3 total tackles. And I'm not seeing the quarterback hurries, but he's been on that corner pressure a few times. And he hit Shager the first time, and it ended up being a holding penalty, and then he got him the second time. Pollard next with 2 total tackles, 2 solo. He's done a good job of taking away those crossing routes. Cobb, the next leading, they just updated on me. Harvey has 1 total tackle. So for Hawaii, Manuma is leading with 5 total tackles. Pei has 5 total tackles, and Edwards has 5 total tackles. And those are all DBs. Smith and Tufanga both have, Smith has 4, Tufanga has 3. Yeah, there's definitely, again, like I said, a tale of 2 sides, especially when you're looking at it offensively.
Yeah, you're 9 of 10 on third down conversions. Keeps your offense on the field. You got 20 minutes and 25 seconds time of possession. If they don't score, you don't lose, that's for sure. And San Jose State leads 21-0 at halftime. It's homecoming here at University of Hawaii. They got the alumni band out here rocking things at Clarence T.C. Ching Athletic Complex. We'll take a break. When we come back, we're going to hear
approaching a railroad crossing.
Coach for the San Jose State Spartans, Josh Oglesby. This is Spartan football from Play Fly.
Spartans fans, experience the power and excitement of live events with Ticket Smarter. You can find seats to more than 125,000 live events, ranging from sports to concerts and theater shows on TicketSmarter.com. TicketSmarter is proud to be the official ticket resale marketplace partner of San Jose State, providing a safe and secure way to buy and sell tickets to your favorite events. The next time you need tickets, think smarter. Think TicketSmarter. TicketSmarter.com. Metropolitan Van and Storage Incorporated has been providing local, national, and international
offering everything from packing and crating to modular furniture installations. It also provides long-term and in-transit storage at 3 convenient locations in Benicia, Sacramento, and Mountain View. Visit metroband.com today.
Welcome back to the Spartan Halftime Show. Earlier this week, Sky Kirsty sat down with the offensive line coach for the San Jose State Spartans, Josh Oglesby. Let's take a look.
We've been running the ball quite a lot lately. 2 straight games, 250 yards or more. The first time the Spartans have done that since 2006. So I thought it was a good time to get our offensive line coach and run game coordinator, is that right? That is right. Josh Oglesby is joining us today. And Coach, what's been the biggest difference the last few years?
You know, I think it's really been our focus as a coaching staff to establish the run game early. Really give those guys an opportunity to kind of set their pad. And just to take a little bit off Seven. When as quarterback we have the ability to not have to make crazy decisions. Every